Hey guys, and welcome to JTech WP. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the top SEO plugin Rank Math for Elementor. I'm going to assume that you've already verified your site with Google and added the analytics code, and you've got Elementor installed and ready to go. I'm going to cover how to do SEO for your pages, and then we're going to take a look at Schema, which will help to improve your Google rankings. If you find this tutorial useful, please check out my other online courses. Links are in the description below. We've got web design, video, and editing courses. So let's go. In Pages, scroll down to the page you want to edit. I'm going to start with this one, which is my online course for how to build websites fast. Press Edit in Elementor. And we can see here's our page. And over on the left, we've got a new option called SEO. At the moment, our score's pretty low because we haven't given it a keyword. And the way this SEO system works is it tells you what you're doing wrong and what you need to do to fix it. First thing I'm going to do is add my keyword in, which is going to be how to build an awesome website fast. Okay, so I've added that in, and we can see straight away it's gone from like a red to kind of an amber. We've gone from like 16 to 66% out of 100, which is a good improvement. You also see that a couple of these have lit up as well. Focus word in the URL. If that's showing red, I'll show you how to fix this. Edit snippet. There's our permalink. If I took out the fast, you see the score's gone down. See, the focus word was not found in the URL, so you could fix that by going edit snippet, just add in your keyword with a dash in between each one, like that, and that's going to help quite a bit. I'm now going to fix the meta description. We can see there's our keyword, and then we've got edit snippet, and this pulls up an example of a Google advert, so it's showing you how your advert would be displayed on Google. One of the things I'm going to put in is make sure my keywords are in the description. So I could have learn how to build an awesome website fast. And look at that. Did you see that? Something moved on the left. It's kind of happy now that we've got the keyword in the meta description, but we'd still need to add more here. This little bar is like an indication of where you're at with your description. If it's in the red, you need to add more text, and it'll start to go green as I start typing. Bear in mind that you're only limited to 160 characters. So what I do is I go onto my page, I'll copy a bit of text that my copywriter made. So I'll copy this section here. We can drop that into our description. Okay, and we see if you put too much in, it goes red. So we got 14 words that we need to get rid of. So I could probably take out that. And now we see it's starting to go green. So our description reads, learn how to build an awesome website fast. Effectively build a WordPress website using the Elementor Pro page builder. And I might change that to something like step-by-step guide. And you can see as I'm typing, the bar's going more green. And I'm pretty happy with that, to be fair. That's actually a reasonably good score. Close the window. And you see we're now up to about 68 out of 100. So it's improving all the time. Next, it's telling me that our content is a little bit too short, so 584 words, and we need at least 600. So by adding another 26 words to this, I could probably get that to go green. I added in another paragraph down here, and as you can see, our content has now gone over 600 words, so it's good. It hasn't quite gone green. We could add a bit more text to make it happier, but let's have a look at what other things it's recommending. So click the little triangle to expand. Your focus keyword was not found in subheadings like H2, H3 and H4. So this is our title tag. If I click on that, that's classed as a H1. That's your main heading or your main page title. If I scroll down, this one, if I click on it, we can see it's a H3. So by adding in our keyword here, we should get a few more points. Again, this is another heading. You can see that's a H2. So these are the tags that it's referring to. I'll update that. We'll go back to our SEO. We'll see how it's looking now. So it's also telling us that we haven't got an image with our focus keyword as alt text. If you have got images on your page, we can add these in the media library. So I can go to media library. For example, if I click on this image, we'll see there it's got an image title. This is one of my previous videos, how to protect your website from hackers. So if that was our keyword, how to protect your website from hackers, I could put that in the alt text here, and then that would get updated in the SEO. Here's my online course thumbnail. I can click on this image. We'll add that into the alt text. Close that window. Go back to our page, and if I go add a thumbnail in here, add in our image, choose it, and it's that one there. Insert media, update. Go back to our SEO. Let's have a look now. We can now see another red light's gone out, which is really good. It is telling us we need to put our keyword in the text a little bit more. So I could put another paragraph in, but don't go too crazy. You don't want to have like how to build a website fast like 20 times in the text, because that'll just annoy your users. Right, internal links. Yes, we could fix that pretty quickly. I could put a button somewhere on the page. So I could put a call to action or contact. I'll just put a button in for now so you see. We'll add in our button and we'll call that contact. Link it to the contact page. And this will class it as an internal link. Press update. Go back, check our SEO. We should see that we got another one that's green. You are linking to other resources on your website, which is great. You haven't used this focus keyword before, so it's all starting to look a lot better now. Your SEO title doesn't contain a number. Okay, so if you're not sure about something, you can click on it. And there we go, it says headlines with numbers are 36% more likely to generate clicks according to research by Conductor. So I can maybe put learn how to build an awesome website fast in 2 hours as a title. That might be a possibility because the course is 2 hours long. So you just follow this guide on the left hand side and you should drastically improve your SEO, because we started off with 16% and we're now up to 81%. I think by adding a bit more content we can get it quite a bit higher, and upping our keyword density would help a little bit too. So just follow the guide on here. If you're not sure about something, click on the question mark and it should explain it. Once the page has been tweaked, we can go exit to dashboard, press leave, press the W. Here's our page that we just optimized. We can now see that this one's gone green. It's showing us our keyword here. It's telling us it's an article. It's got one link on it. It's using the automatic title and description and site name. And then there's our meta description that we put in earlier. Any pages that you haven't done will show NA, and they won't have any of these details in here. One more way we can boost our ranking even higher is by using Schema Markup. I'm just going to copy the text from my description. Copy that. Close that window there. And then up here, we've got this little icon. If I click on this, it's called Schema. So you see there, it's got like an article. If I delete this and press Schema Generator, it'll give us a load of different options. So we can tell Google if it's an article, a book, a course, an event, job posting, and so on. I'm going to say this is a course, because that's what mine is. If yours is an article, you check article. I press course, put my description in there. I put how to build an awesome website fast. Put that as my headline title. I maybe put in using Elementor Pro in the title down there. Course provider, I'm a person, not an organisation. Course provider name, so I could put John Siddle. Course provider URL, paste my web address in. Ratings, I could put my average rating in from Udemy, which I think is 4.74. Minimum rating was 3, and my maximum rating is 5 for the course. Save this post. And now Google's going to know that, okay, it's an online course. And press update. Well guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.